Good morning, children. Today I am going to tell you a very important property, that is distributive property of multiplication over addition. I know you must heard about this property in your previous class also. Now again we are going to recall it, and it's very important. So let's start. And for this property, here remember that we are learning for only for addition. But the rule is same for subtraction as well. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. So for this, we have to take three integers. For this, we are taking A, B, C, three integers. Now, suppose I'm going to add the last two and then multiply this with the first one. So you can see I have to multiply the outer integer with the both integers that are inside. So when I'm going to take its RHS part, it will be A multiply with B as well and A multiply with C as well. So A multiply with B, that is positive sign, and A multiply with C. You can see A distributes with B and C. So the name is satisfied, the distribution is here and multiplication over addition. Now this property can be satisfied by taking any three integers. It is possible for all. So we have to prove the LHS part is equals to RHS, or the question can be like that. Any question is given and it is saying that simplify using distributive property. So I am giving the same question to you, that simplify -8 multiply with 9 plus -8 multiply with 2. First of all, I am taking a very simple question. So what are the steps to solve this question? That is, the first step, you have to see whether any integer is repeating or not. Children, remember that if you are solving by distributive property, then definitely the question in that form where you will get one integer is common. Like here, A is common, that's why it's outside. So, -8 and -8. It is common, so we have to take it outside. Now, whatever is left, that will be inside the bracket. Like -8 is outside, so 9 is left. That is positive sign, and 2 is left. So in the first step, we have taken as common, whatever number is repeating. And the next step, we are going to solve the add. So 9 plus 2 is 11, and there is -8. Now, what is the sign in between? Because we know between the bracket, if there is no sign, that is automatically multiplication. Now multiply these two. 11 8s are 88. And about sign, minus plus minus. So our answer will be -88. Properties make our question easy. You can observe here, instead of multiplying these two first, then these two and then add, it is easy that first we have to take out as common and whatever is left, get it add and then multiply. Here maybe you are not feeling that it is easy because the digits are small, but whenever the bigger digits are given to us, it is definitely very helpful for us because properties makes our question easy. Now let's see in another example, and you will feel that really properties are very helpful. Like example number 2. -26 into 72 plus -26 into 28. So if you are going to sit the multiply these two numbers, it takes time. This also takes time. So here the first step, as I told, we can take common as -26, and then whatever is left, that will be inside the bracket. 72 plus 28. Now -26, that is multiplied, going to add, I get 100. That is very easy to multiply this one. 2626 and 2 times 0. 2600 and with the negative sign. So I hope now you feel that really the properties are very helpful for bigger digits especially. Now here I want to tell you one small property along with this, that is property of 0. As we all know that any integer is multiplying with 0, we always get the answer 0. So let's go through this. The simple name for this property is property of 0. So I have an integer a, and if I multiply it with 0, I'll get the 0. And if 0 is multiplied with that integer, again I will get 0. We can take any example for this. I have minus 7 multiplied with 0. I'll get 0. And if 0 is multiplied with negative 7, again I'll get 0. So this is all about the properties of multiplication, and out of this all the properties are very important, but the most important is distributive property of multiplication over addition. I'm giving you a worksheet along with this in which there are questions related to distributive property. Try to solve using this property to solve those questions. Thank you and have a good day.